Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create something nice and lacy. And of course, since it's summer, this is something perfect for the beach or even honeymoon. So you can just change it into a different color. So this is the one that I'm making and I'm gonna share with you guys how I made this. You can change the color, you can change whatever type of lace do you prefer, and even you can choose for like silk or chiffon. It depends on your preference. And of course, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. And so let's get started. Good morning, everyone. Today it is such a lovely day. It is sunny, it is warm, and really bright outside. So while I'm doing my laundry today, I have a lace here. It's beautiful black lace. So I'm thinking of doing something really nice. So I'm making really something short because I am short, so the measurement for this would be 24 by 29. Alright, so we are going to have around 11 inches for the armhole.